Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to perform a hard reset on the XIAOMI Note 2 using hardware keys. First, turn off your device by holding the power button, tapping power off, and confirming again. Wait until your phone is completely switched off. Then hold down the power key and volume up key together for a few seconds. Release them as soon as the logo appears on the screen. Scroll to the English option and select it by tapping the power key. Use the volume buttons to highlight wipe data and reset, and choose it with the power button. Use the volume buttons again to highlight wipe all data and select it with the power key. Confirm the operation by choosing the Yes option. Wait until your phone deletes all data. Select the Back option with the power key, then simply push the power button again to reboot the system. Wait until your phone finishes resetting and rebooting. Excellent, the hard reset is complete and you can now use your phone. Thank you for watching.